Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to something that honestly I've been missing a lot on this channel lately, and that is an OG drone vlog. But this time it's going to be FPV related. But still, I love these types of vlogs because they allow me to step away from product reviews and tips and tutorials and stuff like that and just enjoy. That doesn't mean that I'm not enjoying the rest of the videos, but these are just different to make, and I honestly enjoy them so much. I really enjoy just going outside in the nature, flying my drones, and just share the footage with you guys without any specific purpose, just sharing the whole journey of setting things up and flying and sharing my impressions afterwards. I think it's a breath of fresh air, literally, and it's something that I think we can all benefit from, keeping in mind that we have been locked inside our apartments for such a long time. It's a really cool opportunity to just enjoy nature and just practice. That's also something that I want to do. I'm going to be practicing today with my FPV quadcopters. I haven't flown properly in a while, so I really need to step up my game, just practice a bit, some moves, and just enjoy my time. And I wanted to share that. And maybe you're seeing in the reflection of my sunglasses, but I am using the Insta360 One R. I didn't bring any of my other cameras, and I purposely did that because I want to test this camera a bit more, see what it's capable of. I'm actually going to strap it to one of my drones afterwards. I didn't have the best of impressions of this camera after trying it on one of my FPV drones, so today I want to try it once again and see what the results I will be able to get. But other than that, I'll be using it for vlogging and for these type of shots. I want to see how the audio is going to be, how the footage is going to look like, and just test it out a bit more because I haven't been able to use it too much since I got it. And yeah, this is a good opportunity for that, I think. So with that being said, I think I've been talking way too long. I'm just going to set up my drones, get up in the air, and show you some tricks, maybe some moves, some crashes maybe, who knows. But let's get right into it. I am using a chest mount, so hopefully you guys will be able to see what I'm doing properly. Yeah, this is the quadcopter that I will be using just so I can see this location properly for the first time, see how my signal is, and we'll go from there. First battery is done. It was just a little warm-up, and seems nice, man. This place is nice, so I'll be definitely enjoying this flight today. Alright, so the camera is now mounted on my FPV quadcopter. I am going to try to fly slowly and smoothly, and I really want to see how the result is going to look like. minor setback as I broke one of my antennas on the drone, but luckily I have some spare ones at home, so that's alright. Fortunately, the camera is not damaged, it's not broken or anything, it's not even scratched, so that's great. It is an action camera after all, so I was expecting that. But yeah, luckily everything is all good, so I can still keep flying. I have another drone, so that's the beauty of having two drones with you at all times. So let's keep flying. I just managed to take a look at some of the shots that I took today, and I have to say this is so much better than my first ever try with the Insta360 One R on my FPV drone. It's a lot smoother. Maybe it was the way I put it on the drone the first time, or maybe it was the way I put it on the drone today, but that doesn't really matter. The footage looks a whole lot smoother. There is a little bit of jello here and there, but that's to be expected. But I have to say, Insta360 One R has really nailed the colors, in my opinion. The quality of the footage looks great. I always love taking the footage in log color profile, and then I can color grade it in post. And just the results that you're able to get with a log footage from an action camera is actually something that I'm a huge fan of. I have to say, I wasn't really expecting to see something that I would like from today's footage, but it turns out the Insta360 One R is actually very capable, and I'm very surprised in a positive way. So yeah, the Insta360 One R is definitely something that I will be using a lot more in the future from now on, now that I have the chance to leave my house and actually record something outside. Yeah, this camera is going to be in my pocket every single time. I also want to mention something that I forgot to do in the beginning of the video, and that is that Insta360 is currently holding a promo on their website, which gives you a free selfie stick when you purchase the One R Twin Edition. The Twin Edition is the one that has the wide angle camera, which is like this one that I'm using right now, and the 360 module, which basically means that you have two cameras in one. You only need to exchange the lens, and then it turns your action camera into a 360 camera. So that's something that I'm really happy about. This camera is 2-in-1, and I love that fact. But yeah, if you purchase the camera right now, I think until May 24th, you're going to get a free selfie stick with it, and that is the invisible selfie stick that hides the whole stick when you're shooting in 360 mode. So that's a great one. And yeah, just wanted to throw it out there. If you want to purchase a One R, now is probably the best time to do it, as you'll get a little gift with it. Yeah, so check out the link below if you want to purchase one. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Like I said, I love making these little vlogs without so many cinematic sequences and stuff. Just me enjoying the weather, my drones, and the camera as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.